People say just leave work at work, but nobody explains how. Because for many mothers, the workday doesn't end. You finish one shift and immediately start another one. Employee, driver, cook, mother. And if your mind is still in a meeting while your child is showing you a drawing, that doesn't make you a bad mom. Again, it just makes you human. So yes, in this video we are going to talk about a switch. How can you, in a normal working day, switch like this easy from being an employee to be a mom? After you finish your 9 to 5, how can you easily go into another mode that is 5 to 9? Yes, your 9 to 5 work ends, but you still have unfinished emails, you still think about a conflict at work, about tomorrow's meeting, about performance pressure. Meanwhile, at home you have dinner, but bedtime. For me, and I'm giving an example about myself, I think it's easy, quite easy, because I have to go to work. I have to drive to my office, to the workplace, yeah? So when I'm done with my work, I go into my car and then I listen to some podcast, or I listen to the radio stations, and somehow this is my way of switching, yeah? I have a physical thing how to go into a mood of mom, and that physical thing is driving home. But how about moms who are working from home? What do you do then? I know this is a little bit more difficult because sometimes I do work from home, and then when the time comes that you are done, I don't have that, okay, now I drive, and then somehow my brain will switch. No, you are done, but you are at home. So click, click, click. How clicks happen? I found out that the best thing for me is to put my laptop away so that my eyes don't see it anymore for that day. Preferably in my car, if that means that I will go to work tomorrow, to my office, yeah? So don't see my laptop, don't see my mouse or whatever you use at your workplace, just out of my way. And then I like to go to wash my face, to remove my jewelry if I had some, to change my glasses, because I do wear glasses and I have a few of them. So just like changing clothes, because this is something what you usually do when you come home, yeah? You or maybe go to take a shower and change, or you just change and leave shower for some time later, it doesn't matter. But you really need, at least from my point of view, some physical input that will change, that transfer in your mind from employee to mother. Don't worry if you cannot do it immediately. Yes, sometimes you do have to talk about your day at work with your husband, for example. Sometimes you want to share, maybe something nice happened at work and you do want to share. Sometimes maybe some conflict happened with your colleagues, with your superior, with clients, whoever, and you also want to share it. And in this kind of situation, you mostly will not share it with your children, you will share with your partner. But still, yeah, you are a human being, and this kind of things affect you in the way, yeah? So don't try always to hide, yeah? Like it's very easy to say leave work at work, once it's done, like leave it there, yeah? But what if you can't? What if you can't? Then, like, okay, take some, share it with your partner. He can also share it with you, why not? His days, yeah? Just be human, yeah? Talk about that for a while, for 10-15 minutes, and after that, like, start talking about other things, start doing another things. whatever is the routine at your home. So yeah, I mean, doesn't have to be that these 5 always mean stop. No, doesn't mean stop. It means like, okay, let's try to change. Let's try to change, yeah? Just stop expecting yourself to instantly become cheerful and present at the moment you close the laptop. No, share if something difficult happened at your workplace. If your work follows you home, it doesn't mean you love your family less. No, it means your brain needs time to arrive. So maybe don't ask, how do I completely switch off? Ask yourself, what helps me transition? Please tell me in the comments, what is one thing that helps you leave work behind mentally, not just physically. Thank you.